Hey, my name is Julien Sauvage. I'm French from KXEN. I run product marketing, and I want to show you the latest cool stuff about our product. It's all around geolocation-based predictive analytics. This is a pretty ugly Excel spreadsheet showing you the transactions that actually occurred for, say, one given bank in America. And when you actually look at the data, you get to see that extra column here, which is the latitude and the longitude. So every time you are swiping your credit card, you're making a transaction with it, you actually get localized. And what KXEN now helps you do is put your customers on the map. So what's going to happen in this case, this is San Francisco. Let's zoom in a bit to the downtown part of San Francisco. Let's go to Starbucks, for example. And using that data being crunched by KXEN, what I can do is I can see the most frequent patterns that are taking my customers from one place to another. For example, and I'm going to do that using Google Earth very easily. For example, I can establish things like people who just buy a coffee at Starbucks Coffee tend to go to other places around like Levi's or Neiman Marcus or Macy's, etc. So using that historical data and transactional data, I am able to establish buying patterns and hence propose the best offer and the best location to my customers. It's pretty cool. Okay, so for example, all of these little red lines here are the shopping patterns that are taking your customers from one point of the city to another one, right? And suppose that I've just used my credit card at Starbucks Coffee. What I can do is I can visualize the three most common paths that are originating from Starbucks Coffee. So these would be the red, the green, and the yellow paths. And this is telling me things like, and I'm going to zoom in a bit again, things like people using that credit card at Starbucks Coffee to buy a Frappuccino cafe or something like that, then tend to go straight to that street and go up until Neiman Marcus, which is a big retailer in America, and use their credit card again. So I've just established one path, and I can do that for any transactional data that I might be interested in.